Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So now we are going to discuss about Dalton's law, question number 2. Okay, so for question number 2, I get some of your friends, okay, said that they have problems with this particular number question. Okay, this question. Okay, so let us solve it together. Okay, so we have a vessel, 500 ml vessel. Okay, so this is in ml. Okay, so this one V will be 0.5 liter. Okay, so we convert it to liter. Okay, then it contains 1.35 of gram of chlorine gas. So this is the mass of chlorine, okay, that has a pressure of 760 mmHg. So 760 mmHg is 1 atm. Okay, 1 atm. So when we convert millimeter mercury to atm, so it is equivalent to 1 atmospheric pressure. Okay, so okay, then when you add some amount of oxygen gas is added to the vessel, so the gas pressure rises to 865 mmHg. So we know that we need to use the Dalton's law. Okay, so uh, next sentence, okay, so it states that assume that the gases do not react with each other and the temperature remain constant. Okay, so means that T adalah is constant. Okay, and calculate the mass of oxygen gas added to the vessel, into the vessel. Okay, so now we have a mixture of chlorine and also oxygen gas. Okay, so P total, we can write it as P total equal to PCl2 plus PO2. Okay, so P total is equal to PCl2 plus PO2. Okay, so P total is 865 mmHg and PCl2 is 760 mmHg. Therefore, we can get a partial pressure of oxygen, which is 165. Okay, 865 minus 760. Okay, so this is 105 mmHg. Okay, 105 mmHg. Okay, so we convert it to atm. Okay, so this one we divide by 760, it will get in atm. So this one is 0.138 to atm. Okay, 0.1382 atm. Okay, so now this partial pressure of oxygen, we know that fraction of oxygen, okay, the formula is fraction of oxygen is equal to partial pressure of oxygen over P total. Okay, find the mole fraction of oxygen. Okay, 0.1382 over P total. Okay, so P total 865 over 760, which is 1.138 to atm. Okay, so fraction here is 0.1214. There is no unit for mole fraction. Okay, so next, mole fraction of oxygen is equal to number of mole of oxygen divide with N total. Okay, N total. Okay, or we can find the number of moles. So this is an option how you want to calculate. Mole of chlorine gas is equal to mole of chlorine gas. Fraction of chlorine is equal to mole of chlorine over mole total. Okay, so this one is mole fraction of chlorine is 1 minus 0.1214. Okay, therefore the mole fraction of chlorine is 0.8786. Okay, so this is mole fraction of chlorine. So since okay, so why I suggest this kind of solution, because we already have the mass of chlorine gas. Okay, mass of chlorine gas. Therefore, from here we can find the number of mole of chlorine, which is 1.35 over 35.5 times 2. Okay, you find the number of mole here. Okay, the number of mole 0.0119 mole. Okay, so we substitute the value. Okay, this one 0.8786. Okay, change the pen. Okay, color pen color. So this one is 0.0119 mole over with n total. Okay, n total. Okay, solve for n total equal to how many moles here? Okay, so I made a mistake here. So this one is supposed to be, the value is, okay, so let us write again 0.019. Okay, so 0.019, and total will be 0.0216. So we know that N total is equivalent to NO2 plus NCl2. Okay, solve for N oxygen. How many moles here? Okay, so number of mole of oxygen is 2.64 times 10 to power negative 3 mole. Okay, so the mass of oxygen will be O2 times with 32. So you will get 0.085 gram. Okay, so this is the answer. So I